Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're taking a close look at what might just be the best cookies container on the market. The Sickle clear plastic hinged takeout containers. If you've been searching for a reliable, convenient way to store and transport your cookies, cake slices, or other snacks, this product is definitely worth your attention. The package includes 50 individual clear plastic containers, each designed with a hinged lid for easy opening and secure closing. The clarity of the plastic lets you see exactly what's inside without having to open the container, which is perfect for displaying desserts or snacks at parties, gatherings, or even for commercial use. The size of each container measures approximately 5.3 by 4.7 inches on the outside, and the inside offers about a 4-inch square space with a depth of 2.7 inches. This makes it ideal for holding a slice of cake, a few cookies, or even small salads and snacks. What sets these containers apart is their thoughtful design and practicality. Made from lightweight plastic, they are portable and easy to handle, which is great if you're on the go. The hinged lid locks securely with an audible snap, so you know your treats are safely sealed inside, preventing spills or messes during transport. Just a heads up, these containers are best for foods that are not too hot, as they are not recommended for items over 60 degrees Celsius to avoid warping or damage. The Sickle containers offer great versatility. Beyond cookies and cakes, they work well for fruits, pasta, donuts, or salads. The clear design helps highlight the food inside, making them a fantastic choice for catering, picnics, or birthday parties where presentation matters. Just be mindful not to overfill the container, as stuffing it too much can prevent the lid from closing properly, which might reduce the seal's effectiveness. Another important factor is the value these containers provide. You get 50 pieces per pack, which makes it cost-effective whether you're hosting events, running a bakery, or simply need dependable storage solutions for your home. Their reusable nature adds to their appeal, as you can use them multiple times with proper care. In terms of usability, the hinged clamshell design is user-friendly and saves time compared to fiddly lids or separate covers. This design also helps in stacking the containers neatly when not in use or during transport, optimizing space. To sum it up, the Sickle clear plastic hinged takeout containers combine convenience, durability, and a sleek design. That makes them perfect for anyone looking to store and present cookies, cakes, and other snacks professionally or casually. They keep your food fresh, visible, and secure, making them a top pick in the takeout container category. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you're interested in a hassle-free, attractive way to package your desserts or snacks, the Sickle containers might just be what you need. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more honest product reviews. See you next time.